Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new camera. I am super excited about this camera. I picked up the Sony ZV-E10 with the interchangeable lens. I am so ready to use this camera, guys. It's about the lens for me. But this is like, I guess, one of the best vlog cameras on the market right now based on my research. Well, best for me at least. I really am excited to start using this camera and share some fun, exciting content with you guys with my new upgraded quality. But yeah, so this is all the items that come in the camera. It even has this little piece to go over your mic, which is great for wind noise when you're vlogging outside. So I'm getting professional, guys, with the vlogging, and I'm so excited to start using this new camera. Like I said, the lens is interchangeable, so that's also really great because this is a camera that can grow with me, and I can, add more lenses for different looks. So yes, I'm just overall super excited to get started creating new content for you guys, and I hope you enjoy the updated quality and everything that's to come. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, guys.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.